Good morning, dear students. This is Shafi from Don Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. In our previous class, we solved some inequalities when x is a natural number and x is an integer, isn't it? So in this class also, we will continue with the same problems, but here we are going to find the solution set when x is a real number. Here we have the question: solve the inequalities of the following for real x. You just see the difference between the previous class problems and today's problems. There will be a difference that in our previous class we solved the inequalities when x is a natural number, when x is an integer. In this class we are going to learn about when x is a real number, and also we are going to find how to draw a solution set on a number line. Two things we are going to learn in this class. So these types of problems are important for your exams. For 2 marks maybe they will ask. Here we have the first question, solve the inequalities of the following for real x, and also we will learn that how to draw a solution set on a number line. 5x minus 3 less than 3x plus 1. Okay, now solve this inequality. Suppose if we have an equation, how you are going to find the value of x in place of less than? You just imagine, in place of less than, you just imagine there is an equal. Then how you are going to find? You are just shifting this plus 1 to the you are just shifting this minus 3 to the right, then 3x to the left. Finally we will get the value x. Similarly, the same procedure we are going to follow, but in place of equal we have to put less than. 5x, you just take this 3x to the left, send this minus 3 to the right, then 5x, 3x, we are taking this 3x to the left, that will be minus 3x is less than, plus 1 is there, we are sending this minus 3 to the right, that will be plus 3. You just keep it in your mind. If we multiply or divide both the sides of the inequality by the negative number, then only the inequality changes in its direction. Adding, subtraction, if we done, then inequality does not change. When it will changes, if we multiply or divide both sides of the inequality by the negative real number only, the inequality changes in its direction. Here we are just shifting, here we are just adding and subtracting, that's it. 5x minus 3x is how much? 2x is less than 1 plus 3 is 4. I want x is less than, take this 2 to the right, then 4 by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are, x less than 2, x less than 2. Now here we are going to find its solution set. When x is a real number, x equals to, you just see we have to find its solution set for the value for real x is nothing but real numbers. Before that you just take a number line, you just take a real line, it is a real line, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on, up to where? Plus infinity. Next, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 and so on, up to where? Minus infinity, right? Now so it is one number line, it is one number line. Let us represent this x less than 2 on a number line. How we are going to represent this x less than 2 on a number line? You just observe x is less than 2. x is less than 2 is nothing but 2 is more than x. 2 is more than x, right? More values of 2, where it will come? Okay, 2, where it will come? Here it is the 2, isn't it? It is 2. 2. Okay, it is 2. Now more values of 2, more than values of 2. So x is less than 2. Sorry, lesser values of 2, not more values. Lesser values of 2, where it will come? In this number line. Lesser values of 2, lesser values of 2, where it will come? Left side or right side? If you are getting confused, there is a blind symbol that here we have x less than 2, less than, where it is showing left side of the 2, isn't it? X less than, you can take it left to the 2. Next, one more thing, less than is nothing but 2 is included or excluded. 2 is included or excluded. 2 is excluded. 2 is excluded. In the first class of this inequality, of this linear inequality, I told you the symbols of the inequalities, representation of the symbols. These symbols represent 2 is excluded. This symbol represents included, isn't it? You just see that symbols, you came to know which is included, which is not included. It is a number line. It is a representation of a solution on a number line. Next, we are going to write its solution set. Minus infinity is excluded. Always it is excluded. Minus infinity to up to 2, which is excluded. Okay, open interval minus infinity to plus 2. It is a solution set which is x is less than 2, where x is a real number. I already told you in the first class itself that solving the inequality, the method of finding the solution set is called solving the inequality. It is solving the inequality. Once again, the method of finding the solution set is called solving the inequality. So here we are solving the inequality. Okay. Next, solution set is nothing but it is the solution set. It is a solution set, right? So x is belongs to minus infinity to plus 2. X is belongs to minus infinity to plus 2. Okay, it is the first question. Second question, are you understand? Kindly take a screenshot of this problem, then you can note down in your notebook. Next problem, 4x plus 3 is less than 6x plus 7. Okay, let us solve. Take this 6x to the left, send this 3 to the right. Then 4x minus 6x is less than 7 minus 3. 4x minus 6x is how much? Minus 2x is less than 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. Minus 2x is less than 4, right? Now what about x? You just see here many of you will get confused. Here we have minus 2x, isn't it? Here we have minus 2x. If we send this minus 2 to the right, what will happen? It divides, isn't it? If we send this minus 2 to the right, what will happen? It will divides to minus 4. It will divides to 4 only, right? You just recall third rule of this solving the inequality, that if we multiply or divide both sides by the negative real number, then the inequality changes in its direction. If we are sending this minus 2 to the right, is nothing but we are dividing with the negative real number. Therefore this inequality changes to the greater than. So x is greater than 4 divided by minus 2. Therefore x is greater than minus 2. Minus 2 ones are minus 2 twos. Okay, x greater than minus 2. You just see the first one, x less than 2. Solution set will be minus infinity to plus 2. What about x greater than minus 2? You take one real line. You just take one real line. Plus infinity to minus infinity, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6 and so on. Minus 2, where it will come minus 2? This will be minus 2, isn't it? This will be minus 2. More values of minus 2, more values of minus x greater than minus 2, more values of minus 2. It will be either right side or left side. Here we have the symbol greater than. It shows right. Blindly we can take it to the right up to plus infinity, right? Minus 2. Greater than is nothing but included or excluded. Excluded. Greater than is nothing but excluded. Excluded symbol is what? It is the excluded symbol, right? It is a solution set for x greater than minus 2. It is the representation of a solution set on a real line. Now what about x belongs to? What about x belongs to? Minus 2 is included or excluded? Excluded. Excluded symbol is open interval. Open interval. Okay. Minus 2 to the plus infinity. Plus infinity. Excluded. Remember these things, that minus infinity plus infinity always we should not include. That always will be excluded. These are the open interval, minus 2 to the plus infinity. It will be minus 2 to the plus infinity. Are you understand? So based on these questions, I am going to give you some homework problems. 3x minus 7 is greater than 5x minus 1. It is the question homework for you. Okay. Next, let us take one more problem. Fourth problem. 3 into x minus 1 is less than or equals to 2 into x minus 3. X minus 3. So less than or equals to is nothing but included. Now multiply this 3 inside the brackets. 3 into x, 3 into minus 1. So 3x minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 is less than or equals to, multiply this 2 inside the brackets. 2 into x is 2x minus 2 into 3 is 6. Now take this 2x to the left, send this minus 3 to the right, then 3x minus 2x is less than or equals to minus 6 plus 3. 3x minus 2x is how much? X is less than or equals to minus 3 plus 3 is how much? Minus 3. So it is x less than or equals to minus 3. Let us represent this x less than or equals to minus 3 on a number line. Take a number line. Take one number line. Minus infinity to plus infinity. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. Okay. Now minus 3, where it will come minus 3? Here it will be the minus 3, isn't it? It is a minus 3. Minus 3 is nothing but x less than or equals to minus 3 is nothing but lesser values of minus 3. Lesser values of minus 3. Where it will come? So it shows less than or equal. I mean less than it is showing. Less than it is showing. You can take it to the left. less than, you can take it to the left. Less than or equals is nothing but it is included. Okay, it is what? Included. It is the solution set. It is the representation of a solution set on a number line. This symbol represents it is included. You just see the symbols, then only you can understand what I am saying in this problem. X belongs to minus infinity. I already told you that plus infinity minus infinity is always excluded. So excluded symbols: open interval, semi open, semi closed. I mean minus 3. It is what? Minus 3 is included. Included symbol is what? It is the symbol included, right? Semi open, semi closed, semi open, semi closed. There is a lot of difference in between these brackets, and this bracket, and semi open, semi closed, like this. There is a lot of difference in these brackets. Kindly make sure properly you write in your notebook. Kindly do not make any kind of mistakes when writing the brackets. Next question, that fifth question, it is the question homework for you. 3 into 2 minus x is greater than or equals to 2 into 1 minus x. It is the question homework for you. You just observe, here we have greater than or equal. Greater than or equal is nothing but that is included. Understand? One more question is also homework for you. It is also very simple. 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 1. It is also the one which is homework. So these are the two questions homework for you. Sixth question, x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 is less than 11. Now we are going to find its solution set. In the denominator of x there will be 1. That understood that in the denominator nothing will be there, is nothing but there will be 1. X by 1 plus x by 2 plus x by 3. The LCM of 1, 2, 3 is what? LCM of 1, 2, 3 is what? LCM of 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 LCM is what? 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3 is what? 2 into 3 is 6. Right? LCM of 1, 2, 3 is 6. 6. These kinds of problems, I mean finding its LCM and simplifying everything, I already explained in our bridge course, isn't it? Already you know it. Now x by 1 into 6 is what? 6x plus x by 2 into 6 is what? 3x plus x by 3 into 6 is what? 2x is less than 11. Simplifying these kinds of problems I already explained in our bridge course syllabus. 6x plus 3x plus 2x is how much? 6x plus 3x is 9x. 9x plus 2x is 11x. 11x by 6 is less than 11. Now send this 6 to the right. I mean in the denominator we have 6. If we are sending this denominator to the right, then it will multiplies. 11x is less than 11 into 6 is 66. Now x is less than 66 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11 6 are. X is less than 6. X is less than 6. Now we have to represent this in a number line. Take one number line. Minus infinity to plus infinity. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on up to infinity. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and so on. 6, where it will come 6, here it will be 6, right? Here it will be 6, 6, 6, x less than 6. It's showing left to the 6. The symbol showing left to the 6, left to the 6. Okay, left to the 6. You just use, for showing this line, you just use scale. It should be very strict. This symbol less than is nothing but including 6 or excluding 6. Excluding, I mean it will be the excluded symbol. Okay, it is what? X less than 6. X less than 6. Now let us write the solution set. X is belongs to what? Minus infinity to 6. It is included or excluded? Excluded. Minus infinity to plus 6, right? Now down in your notebook, you can take a screenshot or pause the video, then you can note down. Now one more question. That question will be homework. 7th question. Many number of questions are there in your exercise 6.1. X by 3 is greater than x by 2 plus 1. So it is the question homework for you. It is the one homework for you, right? Next question, 8th question. 1 by 2 into 3x by 5 plus 4 is greater than or equals to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. 1 by 2 into so inside the brackets we have some simplification, that 3x by 5 plus 4, nothing will be there, is nothing but there, that can be understood that in the denominator 1 will be there. LCM of 5 and 1 is what? 5. 3x into 1 is 3x plus 4 into 5 is 20, is greater than or equals to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. 1 by 3 into x minus 6. Next, once again, 3x plus 20. 1 into 3x plus 20, 3x plus 20 divided by 2 into 5 is 10, is greater than or equals to, in the numerator 1 into x minus 6 is x minus 6 divided by 3. Okay, next you can take cross multiplication of this. You can take cross multiplication, then 3 into 3x plus 20 is greater than or equals to 10 into x minus 6. 10 into x minus 6. Multiply this 3 inside the brackets. 3 into 3 is 9x plus 3 into 2 is 3 into 20 is 60, is greater than or equals to 10 into x is 10x minus 10 into 6 is 60. Now once again, take this 10x to the left, that is 9x minus 10x. Take this 10x to the left, send this 60 to the right. Then what will happen? 9x minus 10x is greater than or equals to minus 60 minus 60. Now 9x minus 10x is minus x, is greater than or equals to minus 10 minus 60 is minus 120. We want only what? Plus x we want. If we want plus x, then we have to multiply both sides, we have minus. If we want to positive one, then we have to multiply minus on both sides. Then you just recall the third rule of solving the inequality. What the third rule says? If we multiply with the negative real number, then if we multiply or divide with the negative real number, then the inequality changes in its direction. So here we are multiplying with negative 1. So minus into minus is plus x. We are multiplying minus on both sides, then this inequality changes in its direction. Greater than or equal to becomes less than or equals to 120, since multiplying minus on both sides. That's it. If we multiply or divide with the negative real number, then the inequality changes in its direction. X is less than or equals to 120. How to represent this x less than or equal to 120 on a number line? How you are going to represent? Take one number line, plus infinity to the minus infinity, 0, 1, 2, 3, 120 we want, and so on up to 120, 121, and so on up to plus infinity. Next, negative values, -1, -2, -3, and so on. 120, where it will have where in this number line, where 120 it is 120, it is 120. Where this symbol is showing left side, right? Left side of 120, left side of 120. Less than or equals to is nothing but that will be included or excluded. Included. Less than or equals to, greater than or equals to is nothing but included. Only less than, greater than is nothing but excluded. Okay, this symbol shows less than included symbol. This symbol shows included. So it is a solution line which is x is less than or equals to 120. Understand? Now let us write this solution set. x is belongs to what? Minus infinity. I already told you that minus infinity plus infinities are always excluded, I mean semi-open. Next, 120 it is included or excluded? 120 it is included or excluded? Included. Semi-open, semi-closed interval. Semi-open, semi-closed interval. About these open intervals and including excluding symbols, I think already you learned in your sets. Now you can write down in your notebook. Once again, if you want, I will just briefly explain. 3x by 5 plus 4. LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. 3x into 1 is 3x plus 4 into 5 is 20 divided by 5, greater than or equals to. I just kept as it is. Next, 3x plus 20, 2 into 5 is 10, greater than or equals to x minus 6 by 3. Next, I took cross multiplication. 3 into 3x plus 20 is greater than or equals to 10 into x minus 6. Next, 3 into 3 is 9x, 3 into 20 is 60, greater than or equal to 10 into x minus 60. After that, I simplified, as you know. Finally, we will get the solution set. Next, one more question. That question will be homework. One more question. That question will be homework. 3 into x minus 2. 3 into x minus 2 divided by 5 is less than or equals to 5 into 2 minus x is divided by 3. It is the question homework for you. You just write it's a solution set along with the solution representation of a solution set on a number line. Representation of a solution set on a number line as well as writing the solution set is important for 2 marks. Okay, dear students, we will have some other problems based on this. Let us continue in the next class. Thank you.